Hi, Mark Cinchetti here with the Landmark Group at Compass. I'm in downtown Deland area, actually about 5 miles outside of it, in the development, Victoria Oaks. I wanted to just give you an update, show you what was around the area. Where this is, we're about 2 miles from I-4, about 25 miles from Daytona Beach, Smyrna Beach, and about 30 minutes from downtown Orlando. It's a new development. It's got about 330 houses in the initial phase. It's going to work its way up to about 600 homes in this area. Great locations, got a bunch of models you can choose from. So one of the builders that we work with, that we vetted, we want to make sure we have good builders that are reputable, that have capacity, that can work with our customers when we bring a customer to them to build their home. Great location, really close to the schools, elementary school right across the street, and just a few miles away from the high school and the middle school. A very desirable area for a lot of people in this area that start moving themselves to. I'd love to show some stuff to you. Definitely reach out to me. You can find my number, my email, everything is down below. Look forward to talking to you.